Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Grand Sport 3LT in Arctic white on black interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area here. So this one has the color matched removable Targa top, as you can see. Fits nicely here into the trunk. It does clip in, so you can simply just pull, and underneath here we've got a Corvette branded car cover that comes with it. We've got the cargo netting to hold your items in place there, and you've got storage down below in here as well. So that's great. So we'll just lock this back into place. To do so, you just press on it and it clips in. It also has the privacy shield, so that's part of it there. And this is the second piece up here. So that way, if you have some items under there, they can be disguised or keep them private there behind the screen. So we'll just close this up. You just simply press here and it will pull itself shut. It's got soft close. And there is the privacy screens inside. This one has the carbon flash metallic rear spoiler with the stage 2 winglets on the sides. We've got the black badge package there. And it's got the shark gray inserts here around the tail lights. We've got the LED tail lights, and then we've got NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports have dampers that open and close electronically based on the setting in the car to make the exhaust louder or quieter on command. So we'll just slide around. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice high gloss black wheels. We've got black painted Corvette calipers, heavy duty brakes, and nice Michelin tires. We've got color matched vents, and down below you've got the carbon flash metallic insert there for the vent, and then we've got the carbon flash metallic side skirt that runs along. Here's your kick plate on the passenger side. So there's a couple little minor marks there. We will polish it, so we'll make it look the best we can for you. And on the passenger door, we've got leather with the baseball stitching. We've got our electronic door release, power windows, power locks, and the 10-speaker Bose stereo in this one as well. For the seat on the passenger side, you've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And we'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. So here we are on the passenger side. We've got the nice baseball stitching that runs along the lower part of the dash as well as the upper. Have a look at the condition of the dash while we're here. And with the 3LT, you get the Alcantara suede A-pillars that run up and around. So the visors and right along the top, as well as the underneath the Targa top actually has a quilted Alcantara finish as well. So we'll have a look in the glove box. We've got the original build sticker, and we've got the books with the car as well. Heated and cooled seat for the passenger, or temperature display and temperature control for the passenger side. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and we'll scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks good. And at the front, you've got the carbon flash metallic insert with your Grand Sport logo. And here's your front wheels. So again, nice high gloss black wheels, black painted Corvette calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires. And then under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy. And then in the corner here, you've got your dry sump oil system, which comes with the Grand Sport, as well as a rear diff cooler and a transmission cooler. And then we have our mag ride. So this is the cable right here going to the strut tower top for controlling the suspension. So there's your Corvette embossed hood liner. And we'll go ahead and we'll close this up. On the hood, we've got the exposed carbon fiber here. Looks great. And we've got 3M here, so there is a seam, runs right here. So that's midway through on the front clip, goes right across. And on the front lower, we've got the side winglets with the carbon flash metallic painted front lip. It's in pretty good shape, as you can see. And we've got the curb view camera. So there's one of them there. And we've got the other one just on this side here. Again, nice black badge package, and we've got the shark gray insert there. Looks great. In terms of issues, let me just have a look. So the bumper is not wrapped. It's just the upper part of the fender and the hood. But the bumper is in really good shape. Looks great. Nothing I see to point out, so that's great. We've got our projector HUD headlights with Xenon bulbs and LED daytime running lights and turn signals. I love the black housing against the Arctic white, looks great. And here's your front wheel. So again, high gloss wheels, black painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, and nice Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Great, so onto the driver's side, we've got our power locks, we've got our 2-user memory with an exit button which is programmable. We've got our power windows, our electronic door release, and our baseball stitching along the door. Door's in fabulous condition, as you can see. Here's your Corvette kick plate on the driver's side. A little bit of minor scuffing here, but again, we'll polish it. We'll make it look the best we can for you. There's your driver's seat. So you got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 9,338 kilometers, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues there on the dash. We do have the carbon fiber dash there that goes around here and around this side as well. On the steering wheel, you've got favorites or track change down here, cruise control buttons up here. You've got your paddle shift minus here on this side. On this side, you've got your volume controls. We've got our arrow keys here, which work the dash. So we get info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. We've got call hang up and voice control, and our plus paddle shifter on this side. Over here, we've got our heads-up display and our power mirror control. And then down below, you've got your trunk release and your motion alarm on and off. And then we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel here. So I'll just turn off the lights for a moment. There's your heads-up display on the windshield, so that's there. And on this side here, you've got your push-button start. We've got behind-screen storage with USB. And we'll just go home. So we got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming. We've got phone. You've got projection, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, so full factory navigation. PDR, so you got performance data recorder. And if we go over, we got cameras. So there's your front curve view cameras. There's your reverse camera. And then we've got climate controls down below. So you've got your driver's temperature control here. As you see, it displays on the screen. We can sync the two temperatures, so now it'll make the driver and the passenger the same temp, and you've got auto climate control there as well. You've got heated and cooled seat for the driver, secondary controls for the passenger, and again, you've got primary controls for the passenger over on this side. And here's your 8-speed automatic shifter with leather-wrapped baseball stitching and 12-volt socket, cup holder, electronic parking brake, and mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we have touring, sport, we have track, or it wraps back around, weather, eco, or back to touring. In the center here, we've got two USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. There's your auto-dimming rear view mirror, and there's your auto-dimming driver's side mirror. So let's just hop out with this one running, have a look and a listen. What an awesome machine. Love these cars. So we'll just start at the front and I'll let you have a look here with the headlights on. Looks sharp with those LED daytime running lights and the nice bright HIDs. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. Here we are at the back. Nice rumble. And there you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Coupe 3LT here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.